I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson WF2930 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. This printer you can print auto two-sided print here. With this printer is with real paper input, auto, copy and scan, mobile printing and LCD screen. This printer is also got automatic document feeder, ADF. This printer, you can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct and USB cable connection. This printer is very compact. It's a multifunctional printer. This printer is compatible with Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows XP, SP3, Windows XP Professional, Windows Server, Mac iOS. Like I said earlier, connection is Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and high-speed USB cable connection. Printing speed, you can print 10 prints per minute for black color with this printer, or 5.0 print per minute for colored. Two-sided print is 6.0 for black and 4.0 for colored. Scan resolution is 1200 to 1240 dpi. Print resolution is 5760 by 1440 dpi. This printer is using ink cartridges C04 or C04 extra large. With C04 you can print 150 pages or 130 pages for color, but with C04 extra large you can print, if you are printing black, 500 pages, if you are printing color, 350 pages. If you are using 604 extra large, this is the ink we are going to install. This is 604 normal ink, that came with this printer. To set this printer up is what we are going to do. First thing to do is use side arrow, to select your language. So now you picked up English. So if you want to select Netherlands or any other country, use up and down arrow to select your country. Once you select your country, click OK. Now I'm going to select English. Once select English, click OK. Now finish setup using Epson Smart Panel app. So if you can set this up using the app or no. So I don't want to set it up now using the app. Click OK. Now the next is select your country. So I can see Uganda, UK, Ukraine, US. So I'm going to select United Kingdom. Select OK. Now the next is daylight and daylight saving time. You can select daylight saving time. You can select on and off. I want to leave it off. Now select the date format. Date format, you can select day, month and year. Select OK for it. Then you select, use the figures here. Use the figures to type the date. Select OK. Now select time format. You can select the time 12 hours or 24 hours. I want to leave it to 24 hours. Select OK. Now select the time 14:35. And select OK. Here we go. So it's getting ready. So it's preparing. The next, once it's done, you need to get ready to install the ink. So it's getting ready. Now the next is install ink cartridges that came with this printer. Then start initialization. So the next to do is lift up this printer. Lift up here. You can see the ink cartridges holder it moves away from the corner to where it's supposed to be, so that we can change it. And it's self-explanatory. You can see the black, there's a sticker on top of it. You can see the black color, yellow, magenta and cyan. So follow the sticker pattern. So we're going to install the ink. The first we need to go with is the black color. Just need to open it up. So this is the black. When you are opening this up, also make sure, be mindful of the chip. Okay, just need to open this properly. Okay, here we go. This is the black. The next you need to do, you just need to pull this, okay, air vent, pull it off. Okay, once you pull it off, you go in to the black, push it down, and the black is in. The next on the list is yellow. So look for yellow. You just need to follow the pattern. Okay, open up the yellow ink cartridges. Go in. Like I said, be mindful of the chip. Just need to pull it. If you don't pull this air vent, this ink will not work. Okay, so we'll go into yellow, push it down, and it's in. The next on the list is magenta. Okay, open it up. Okay, remove the air vent, go in to magenta, push it down, and it's in. The last but not the least is cyan. Okay, here we go. Bring it out, pull it off. Okay, then go in, push it down. Okay, so it's in. So this is how to install the ink. The next you need to do is close the printer down. Okay, once you close it down, select OK. Okay, and the next you need to do is select start. Okay, so what it's doing now is checking the ink cartridges. It's checking the ink. Here we go. Initialization. Do not power off until initialization is complete. This take about 6 minutes. So there is a line on the screen, okay, and this line is progressing slowly. So once you reach the end, it will tell you it's complete. So you just need to exercise patience. Okay, initialization is taking place. Okay, I just want to show you. Okay, you can see this printer, Epson Workforce, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct. LCD screen is 3.7 centimeter. Auto two-sided print. Okay, auto document feed, ADF. Epson Smart Panel, print on the go. Setup, monitor, print, scan, and more. All from your phone. Ink cartridge 604 or 604 extra large. You can also change individual ink. Okay, Epson exceed your vision. So you can see, so it's progressing. The ink is initializing, which will take 6 minutes time to initialize. Epson Workforce 2930. Okay, now I can see initialization is complete. Click OK.